Alright, if you've ever wanted to publish your own audiobook on Audible, Amazon, or other audiobook platforms, but thought it would take expensive voice actors, costly recording equipment, or hours in a recording studio, you're going to love what I'm about to show you. Today we're talking about how you can create professional quality audiobooks and organize them into chapters using Fusionvoice. Whether you're an author, publisher, content creator, coach, or someone looking to build a passive income stream, this workflow can save you a tremendous amount of time while giving you complete creative control. The first step is preparing your manuscript. This can be a novel, nonfiction book, educational guide, children's story, or virtually any document you've written. Instead of manually recording every page yourself, simply import your manuscript into Fusionvoice's studio. One of the standout features is that Fusionvoice can analyze your document and automatically identify the narrator and dialogue. If your book contains multiple characters, the software helps organize who is speaking so you can assign different AI voices where appropriate. This creates a much more engaging listening experience compared to using a single voice for every character. Next comes choosing your voices. Fusionvoice includes multiple local AI voice engines, allowing you to generate speech directly on your own computer without worrying about monthly character limits for the built-in local engines. If you want additional premium voice options, you can also connect supported third-party AI services using your own API keys. This flexibility lets you choose the voice that best matches your audiobook's style and audience. You can even customize the delivery by describing how each voice should sound. For example, you might want a narrator with a calm, warm tone, a villain with a deep and mysterious voice, or a children's character with an energetic personality. These voice-style descriptions can help produce a more expressive narration. Now let's talk about one of the most important parts of producing an audiobook: chapters. Professional audiobooks are much easier to navigate when they're divided into clear chapters. Instead of creating one extremely long audio file, Fusionvoice helps you organize your project into individual sections. Simply separate your manuscript into chapters before or within your project, generate the narration for each section, and export every chapter as its own audio file. This makes reviewing, editing, and publishing much more manageable. Working chapter by chapter also allows you to regenerate only the sections you want to improve. If you decide to rewrite chapter 5, you don't need to recreate the entire audiobook. Just update that chapter and generate it again, saving both time and effort. Another helpful feature is the ability to build complete audiobook projects inside one workspace. You can review scripts, assign voices, regenerate narration, and keep all your files organized in one place instead of juggling multiple applications. If your audience speaks different languages, Fusionvoice also includes translation capabilities that can help you prepare content for international listeners. That opens opportunities to reach readers and audiobook buyers around the world. To make your audiobook even more immersive, you can add background music or subtle sound effects where appropriate. Just remember that audiobook platforms such as Audible generally have specific technical and content requirements, so always review their latest submission guidelines before publishing to ensure your final files meet their standards. One advantage many creators appreciate is having their local projects stored on their own computer. This allows you to keep your scripts, generated audio, and cloned voices organized in your own workspace while maintaining control over your creative assets. Once each chapter is complete, listen through the narration carefully. Check pronunciation, pacing, and character consistency. Small adjustments at this stage can make a big difference in the final listening experience. When you're satisfied, export each chapter, assemble your audiobook according to your chosen distribution platform's requirements, and you're ready to publish. Creating audiobooks no longer requires a professional recording studio or weeks of recording sessions. With the right workflow, you can produce polished audiobook content much faster while maintaining creative flexibility throughout the entire process. If you're interested in creating audiobooks, publishing on Audible, or exploring AI-powered voice production, Fusionvoice offers a streamlined way to manage narration, character voices, and chapter creation all within a single application. Alright, that's it for me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more AI content creation tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.